So now the genetic material is DNA. The unique vocal proof of the DNA is genetic material came from the experiment of Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. Right? They worked with viruses that infect bacteria called bacteriophages. मतलब उन्होंने बैक्टीरिया के साथ काम किया तो इसको हम लोग एक बोलते हैं बैक्टीरियोफेजेज. The bacteriophage attacks on the bacteria and its genetic material then enters the bacterial cell. Right? The bacterial cell treats the viral genetic material as if it was its own and subsequently manufactures more virus particles. Right? Next है Hershey and the Chase worked to discover whether it was protein or DNA. या तो DNA या प्रोटीन है from the viruses that entered the bacteria. Right? They grew some viruses on a medium that contained radioactive phosphorus and some other on medium that contained radioactive sulfur. Right? Viruses grown in the presence of the radioactive phosphorus contain radioactive DNA but not radioactive protein because DNA contains phosphorus but protein does not. Right? Similarly, viruses grown on the radioactive sulfur contain radioactive protein but not radioactive DNA because DNA does not contain sulfur.